The final result. So firstly, download all these files, links have been given in the description. Hide all the icons on the desktop, then go to taskbar and right-click, click on taskbar settings, from here turn on automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode. Now, we will download Nexus Dock, so, head towards the link and download the free version from here. Now go to the second link and download Dock Icons and Backup. After downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder and extract both files. After extraction, install the Nexus Dock as shown. Now go to your desktop and click on Nexus. From here go to Advanced and click on Restore. Now, navigate to the Dock icon file, in the Downloads folder and select this file. This will change the dock appearance. Now right-click on the icons, and click on Dock Entry Properties. From here select Change Icon and again navigate to the Dock Icons folder. From here click the Windows icon. Do the same for all other icons as well. Now, I have changed the icon so it's time to change the wallpaper, so head towards the third link and download this file from here. We will also download the RAINMETER, so head towards the fourth link and download it from here. After downloading, install the application as shown. Now navigate to your desktop and unload all the skins. Go to your Downloads folder and open the skins file. From here click on Wallpaper and set this as your desktop. Now copy all the things except the wallpaper and go to the Documents folder. Here click on RAINMETER, and then go to Skins, paste the copied skins here, then go to your desktop. Now it's time to load the time and date skins, so, launch the RAINMETER from the right corner of your taskbar, click on Refresh All, now load the time widget and set its position to on desktop. Then load the visualizer widget and set its position. Now go retro and from here load time and set its position. Now place the widgets as shown. So it's finally done. Your aesthetic, cool and clean desktop is here. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment boxes.